Hello, everyone. You're welcome to Common School of Thought. And just like I promised you, this is the episode 3 for our lesson, Numbers and Numerals. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to write numbers from words to figures. In episode 2, the previous episode, we learned how to write from figures to words. And today, we are learning how to run from words to figures. I have some questions on the board we're going to go through, and I promise this doesn't take much of it. So we have a number in words 2,918. Very easy to understand because we've already treated place and place value. This is going to be very, very easy for us to do. Now, what is really important in this video is that you get to know where the number is starting from. That is the single most important thing. Every other thing follows and then they just fit into each other automatically. Right. Example 1, 2,918. So you see 2,000, 2,000. So this number is starting in the 1,000 column. See the 1,000 column. So quickly, once you know this, just write in your place value, the 1,000 column. It's going to be 2, comma. You have the hundreds column, you have the 1,000 column, th. You have the million column, you have the billion column, and so on and so forth. Now, but the other that this 2 is starting from where the 1,000. The 2 is starting from the 1,000. So where do we put it? Here, 2 in the 1,000 column. So you start off here. So write the 2 only 2, and then 2,900, meaning it is starting or continuing from where the hundreds column. 918. Who is here and cannot write 918? I mean, come on, 918. So we're going to be looking at this 918. That's all. So this is going to be 2,918. If you want, you can rewrite this as what? 2,918. Comma. And this is what we have here in figures, from words to figures. And that's all you need. Second example, 10 million and 10. 10 million and 10. So we go by our columns again. So we have the let's create the columns first. So we have hundreds, you have the thousands, th, you have the millions, you have the billions. Now if you are really confused about this, you can check out my previous videos on place and place value charts. Okay, it's something I did in the other episodes, so I hope you follow that one to be able to understand this. So 10 million, meaning you are starting the million column. 10 million, 10 million, 10 million. So where is our million? This billion, this thousand, this hundreds, but this is million. So 10 million. Don't you know how to write 10? So 10. See? I understand. This is what we do as Common School of Thought. So we break very complex things for you to understand in a simple form. So 10 million and 10. Let me ask you a question. Did you hear anything about thousands? No, you didn't. So thousands is 0. And as a matter of fact, you should know that every column contains 3 digits. Alright? So this is 0, 1,000 is silent, is 0. So you're going to have how many zeros there? Let me use the black marker for this 10. So the 10 for the 10 million. And then this is going to be what? No 1,000 was mentioned in the question. So 0, 0, 0. 3 digits. And what? So 10 million and 10. But he mentioned something in the next column. 10. Alright? So in our previous video, we learned how to write numbers in 3 digits. So this number you see here, for example, 062 is what? 62. All right. So this is what 62. So that is how come we are going to write 10 as what 0, 10. All right. You must make sure the number is what 3 digits. Okay. So this 0 is insignificant, but it's in the whole number system. It is. So 10 million 0,000 and 10. All right. 10 million 0,000 and 10. But you don't write 0,000. But you don't write 0,000. You just ignore it and then write 10 million and 10. All right. So that's now we have this number here, 720 million 1,072. 720 million 1,072. Now I'll leave this for you to try in the comment section. Thank you very much for coming to watch today's episode 2, explaining numbers, writing numbers from words to figures. And in our next episode, we are going to, treat how to round numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, million, billion, and all of that. So in this month or weeks, we are actually focusing on what? Numbers and numerals. So go ahead and give me the answer to this question in the comment section. I'll also be posting series of questions in the comment section to get to see those who really understood what I taught. So stay tuned and watch out for the questions. Choose.